If you listen closely, you can hear him snoring. It's so cute. And he's not on his paw pillow, which is unusual. Oh, he looks so comfy. I'll be quiet for a little bit so you can listen for him snoring. That's sweet. I don't see any other cats around. So it's just him. Oh, the snoring's so cute. I don't often catch it on film, on video. Okay, bye.